Ma'am, I got a job, so please tell me, ma'am, how can I do first day of office what I talk? So congratulations first of all on your job. Now company will going to talk to you. Okay, so first day will be related to some of the formalities related to the paperwork and all. Okay, your induction will be conducted. You have to be prepared from your end with the introduction. You can be asked to introduce yourself. Okay, if you are coming from the college, then you have to tell about your graduation, your skills. Okay, so be prepared with the introduction, and then next, be careful about the paperwork whatever you are submitting and whatever the formalities you are approving, right? So nothing much, only the formalities will be conducted and your introduction will be asked to you. And afterwards, once you are settled in the company, then your trainings and the projects will be started. Right, so first week will most probably going to take to make you settle down in the company.